Have you ever wondered how digital marketing works? A question indeed that swirls in the minds of many as we navigate through this digital revolution. Digital marketing, my friends, is the new age marketing tool that's changing the game, evolving and expanding faster than we could have ever imagined. Let's break it down. Picture advertising delivered through a myriad of digital channels. These can be search engines, websites, social media, email, even mobile apps. It's the way we reach out to today's internet-savvy consumers. It's the language we speak to connect with them. In today's world, where the internet has become an integral part of our lives, the importance of digital marketing is paramount. It's not just about selling a product or a service anymore, it's about creating experiences, building relationships, and leaving a lasting impression. So, digital marketing, in essence, is the art of marketing products or services using digital technologies. Now that we know what digital marketing is, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Well, it's a bit like a grand orchestra, with each instrument playing its part to create a harmonious symphony. In the world of digital marketing, these instruments are the various channels marketers use to connect with potential customers. Think of search engine optimization, or SEO, as the conductor of this orchestra. It ensures your content appears in the spotlight when your audience searches for relevant topics. Content marketing, on the other hand, is like the lead violinist, creating a compelling narrative that captivates your audience. Meanwhile, social media marketing is the percussion section, setting the rhythm and pace of your engagement with the audience. And finally, like the powerful brass section, email marketing drives home the message, reinforcing your brand and its offerings. Clearly, digital marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but a complex interplay of various strategies. You might be thinking, do I have what it takes to get into digital marketing? Well, take a moment and put those concerns to rest. Digital marketing is a field that welcomes one and all, irrespective of your background or skill set. Sure, creativity, analytical ability, and familiarity with digital media can be great assets, but they aren't prerequisites. What you really need is an open mind and an eagerness to learn. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's an ever-evolving landscape, always brimming with new trends and technologies that keep things exciting. This means there's always something new to learn, something new to discover. It's a playground for the curious, the creative, the analyzers, and the strategists. Digital marketing isn't just about selling products or services, it's about telling stories, solving problems, and connecting with people. It's a field that combines art and science in the most fascinating way. So whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, digital marketing has something to offer you. Excited about digital marketing? Here's how you can get started. First, dive into market research to understand your competition and recognize opportunities. Next, identify your target audience. Who are they and where can they be found online? Now set clear, achievable goals. What do you want your digital marketing efforts to accomplish? Finally, create a comprehensive digital marketing plan, outlining your strategies and tactics. Remember, success in digital marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. Let's recap what we've learned about digital marketing. This powerful tool can open doors for anyone willing to learn its mechanics, and the potential for earnings is vast. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, remember that the key is to stay informed and adaptable. The digital landscape is ever-changing, but the rewards can be immense. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.